Hey everybody, I'm Elisa Shapiro and I will be your instructor for the payroll accounting course this semester. I'm sending you this quick video to show you how to sign on to our course and really how to navigate our course. I'll mention a few other important items, but it's a getting started video meant to help you out so that we can hit the ground running. So here we are in RV's Lion's Den, right? Here it is in the web browser, the address. Once you're in Lion's Den, you can look down for our class in Canvas, which is right here, ACCT 22990V. So if you click on that, you will now be redirected into our payroll course. When you get in there, you're going to be on the home page, so I really suggest you read everything I've provided here for you. A copy of this video will be embedded down at the bottom. Once you read that, you will be advised to go over here. This is the course navigation menu. To go to modules. That's really the sort of spine of our course where everything is going to run out of there. So all these little boxes, rectangular boxes, are called modules, and we're going to take them in order. The most important one to begin with, and begin right away with, is the Start Here module. So when you open it up, there's another page here. It's called Getting Started. Everything you need to get started is in this page. So what do I have? Well, I talk about the course materials, and the good news for you guys is that your tuition for this course included the price of materials, so you don't need to buy anything else. What I have here is a link to Cengage's registration guide and the registration video. It's going to show you how to link the Canvas course with your Cengage account. So all of our homework and exams are done in Cengage. Whenever you access your homework or exams, you must start in Canvas, hit the appropriate link for the corresponding assignment, and then you'll be redirected to Cengage. So the first thing you have to do is create that account within Cengage so the link between Canvas and Cengage is made. These two resources here, the guide and the video, will help you do that. It's pretty straightforward and fairly easy. So I'm going to let you watch those, and I urge everyone to do this immediately upon the class's opening. Any problems with it, let me know so I can find the people who can help us correct those problems. So that's number one, your course materials. Number two is the syllabus. Here's the link to your syllabus. I'm not going to open it here, but the syllabus is key. Our assignments, my expectations for the assignments, your requirements for those assignments, and most importantly, the very, very firm due dates for everything. The homework, the tests, and that final project we have, everything is in there. So read that thoroughly and keep it by your side because the due dates are firm. Your first assignment is an introduction discussion board, and I'm going to tell you right now, I think 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, this is the wrong date, so I'm going to change it. It's the 4th. This is due the 4th. The introduction board is easy. Go in there, introduce yourself, follow my directions for discussion boards as provided in the syllabus, and then you can respond to another person's post. I love giving full points for discussion board, and they are all required, so pay attention to those requirements. Just note the first board is due February 4th, a Saturday. And we have your first homework assignment. Here is a link. This is a warm-up math type of assignment. Get used to the math, get used to Cengage. So again, that's also another assignment which is graded, but it will help you out by completing that. So that's your first module. After we complete the Started Here module and everyone's linked, we start with Chapter 1. When you go into the chapter, I'll show you Chapter 1. There's a little introduction, and will tell you here's what you need to do to finish this chapter, right? Look at the PowerPoints, read the chapter, post to the discussion board, look at the learning objectives. I have that up here. And Chapter 1 homework. This is the link. So when you click on it, you'll be redirected to Cengage and you can do the homework. A note about the homework. You have you have enough time. You have days for each homework assignment, and you can continue to try the homework until you achieve a score of 100%. So you have unlimited checks on your homework. The final submission must be by the due date. So whatever your score is by then, it will be submitted. So please do your best to use that time wisely and try to get as many hundreds on your homework as possible. I think it's very manageable and you can all do that. All right. That's your module 1. All the modules are set up the same. So after every 2 modules, I'm going to go back to them, there is an exam. Okay, so chapter 1 and 2, and then you have exam 1. Okay, there's spring break, nothing will be due then, 3 and 4, and then exam 2, and so forth and so on. In between, sometimes I put a special form in there. It's a little research form. Nothing is required more than some internet searching. All right, so whatever the topic is, these points are easy to earn. I just want you to get familiar with either payroll or accounting or matters important to those disciplines. That is really all I wanted to say to you to help you get started. So again, I'm just going to reiterate, the most important thing is to go to Cengage, follow the instruction guide, and get linked with Cengage. Create an account so that every time you click on a homework assignment here and you're forwarded to Cengage, it goes right to your account. If you don't do that, you can't complete the assignments, and if you don't do it properly, the grade you earn will not redirect here into Canvas. All right, and so just one more note, your Canvas gradebook, which you will see in the menu to the left, that is your firm gradebook. Those are the grades you go by, and that will always be updated. That will be your real-time grade. So I'd like to just leave you with that. Any questions, please reach out. I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you. I will be online every day, Monday through Friday. So I'll be on the boards, helping to answer questions, seeing how everyone's doing. And your best way to contact me is via email. I do have office hours and they're posted on my syllabus, but I get back to everyone pretty quickly. So I look forward to working with you this semester and seeing everybody on the boards. Take care and have a great day.